Learn to navigate the Accounts Payable module in this quick video. Navigate to the Accounting tab, click Invoices. The invoice queue displays all your vendor invoices. You can view the status of each invoice, including important details. To take action on an invoice, click on the down arrow next to it. Drag and drop invoices into the Invoice Queue section to add them to the queue. In this section, you can view invoices that are in the queue, those that have been paid, or those that have been stopped. Forward invoices to a specific email ID provided by Docyt. Check Register. View your check register. ACH transactions. View payments. Settlement items. Settle bills among multiple business entities. Payees. Manage your payees or vendors. Payment rules. Automatically mark invoices as paid or schedule recurring payments. Finally, adjust your settings within the Accounts Payable module to suit your specific needs. That's a quick overview of navigating the Accounts Payable module in Docyt.